ASUS ROG MAXIMUS Z890 Extreme is just insane. The $800 motherboard that actually delivers. You ever feel like your rig's holding you hostage? You've got top-tier parts, yet your system bottlenecks like it's stuck in 2015. Your M.2s are throttling, your overclocks crash midstream, and your Wi-Fi feels like it's running on hope and duct tape. Every upgrade feels like a patch on a sinking ship. You waste time tweaking BIOS settings, fighting with RAM compatibility, or just trying to get your GPU to stop choking. You know your setup should fly, but it drags. And deep down, you're tired of good enough. You want something elite. Something unfair. Let's crank the chaos up a notch. Missed gaming sessions, corrupted footage, last-minute crashes before deadline, because your system can't keep up. Your so-called high-end board melts under pressure, your thermals spike, and suddenly your dream PC feels like a nightmare in RGB. Your projects lag, your streams stutter, and your sanity slips with every unnecessary reboot. Whether you're an overclocker, streamer, modder, or AI tinkerer, you know the pain. And the market's flooded with flashy boards that promise the world but deliver like dial-up. It's burnout with a side of betrayal, and it ends right now. Meet the ASUS ROG MAXIMUS Z890 Extreme, the motherboard that straight up redefines extreme. This isn't just a spec sheet with RGB slapped on. We're talking 24 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 power stages, 3 PCIe 5.0 and 0.2 slots, DDR5 up to 9200 plus, dual Thunderbolt 5 ports, Wi-Fi 7 with Q antenna, a 10G LAN beast mode, and an actual 5-inch live LCD screen baked into the board. AI overclocking, AI cooling 2, and AI networking 2 give you terrifying control, like your motherboard's reading your mind and dialing everything just right. It's not hype. It's surgical. Precision built. And absolutely savage. Imagine this. Lightning fast boot, zero thermal drama, butter smooth OSing, and BIOS that feels like it was built for you, not against you. The Q release system makes GPU swaps feel like Lego. The thermal design? U-shaped, massive heatsinks, fan-obsessed airflow, it's a cooling fortress. All wrapped in sleek ATX armor and topped with Aura sync-ready lighting. Whether you're building a god-tier gaming rig or a future-proof AI workstation, this board doesn't just show up, it dominates. Dive deeper into the specs, check out the footage, and feel that pull in your gut. This is what elite should look like. But don't sleep, stock is always low, and this isn't your average drop. Reviews call it the engineering wet dream for a reason. Join thousands of builders, overclockers, and pros who've already made the switch and never looked back. Ready to level up for real? Click that link, grab your MAXIMUS Z890 Extreme before it's gone, and build a PC that doesn't just flex, it roars. Don't settle for basic. Seize your edge. Crush your limits. Make your next build legendary. Act now. This beast won't sit on shelves for long.